Hi, it's Billy Tarasio from Modern Law Practice. And I am a little giddy because we have a lot of experiments going on right now at Modern Law and its sister company, Access Legal. And these are my most favorite things to do. It's like my own personal way of just playing, and it feels like Las Vegas to me, to try these experiments. And, I just this month tried an experiment with a non-attorney salesperson and free consultations. So it's been a million years since we've offered free consultations, but I figured if they were meeting with a non-lawyer, then, you can't, and you're not getting legal advice, then, we didn't charge. So what happened? Well, the number of consultations skyrocketed up to about 20 a week, which was almost double. And the lead to schedule rate was at an all-time high. Now, I expected that perhaps the cancellations and no-shows would go up because there was no fee and no deposit, but no, it did not. Those fell as well. So to about 18%. So between 18% of the people who scheduled canceled or no-showed. And actually the no-shows were very, very low. It was mostly cancels, and those happen. So what did we learn? Well, having someone available all the time to take in consultations is critical for a firm that's my size. So we get, more than 100 leads a month, and that warrants someone available all the time. And having someone available all the time means you get more people in, and you get and they show up at a higher frequency. The non-attorney salesperson that I brought in had a background in medical, and her conversion rate was awful. So she came in and she was a seasoned salesperson, and I gave her a ton of training that absolutely works with lawyers and people who know the law, but it didn't work with her. So I didn't really need to wait any longer than I did. So after 3 weeks, I said, this isn't working. And two of my paralegals started doing the free consultations. And actually we decided to play with $49. Just to see if that would make a difference. So $49 meeting with a paralegal, and conversions way up. They're doing an excellent, fabulous job, and nobody's really blinking at the $49. So we will need to wait and see. I will need to update you each week or every other week to see how this is going and whether or not this ends up being our stable. What we decided is we would try this. And then later on, I will decide if I need to bring in a whole new person. Maybe it's an attorney, maybe it's a full-time paralegal, or can we do it with what we've got in-house? Super fun, going really well, and I will let you know how it goes. And I would love it if you would share your experiments and your results with me as well, because I think we all learn from each other when we try things and we share them, so that we can learn lessons from one another and grow from each other. So subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.